What is good, guys, man? I haven't seen y'all in a while. Been working 2 jobs since like maybe 2-3 weeks ago, man. So like I'll work 1 job in the morning and then go work my other job at night and then return back to the other job in the morning. It's been crazy, like trying to do 32 hours, 4 hours to this other job and my straight 4 hours in my other job. Yeah, crazy. But it's like I said, I just got this second job just to help fund the projects. So hopefully I can get rid of the second job by like May, hopefully, because it's really kicking my butt. But anyway, guys, I got some special news, man. So on the channel I had posted a video of like saying goodbye to the Audi A4. We got it back out there.
I cherish this, I'm not my character. I'm a problem with the predicate. See, back then I was trapped in with the pad and pen to make it happen. It was at risk, but that's past tense. Now they back some pen, nigga tap in. All of these girls, man, I'm blacklist. Couldn't see me through the glasses. Took the code and I cracked the shit. Kicked the door.
So yeah, took the thing. I bought it back from my buddy, cause he sold it to the same price that I sold to him. And pretty much got to have a beater again since I'm working 2 jobs, help me get back and forth. I knew this car was reliable because I put all this money, and it's just been sitting in his house the whole time. Well, he hasn't been driving, so it's been sitting. And when I took him on the highway for the first time, and like I sold it to him back in like September, and it's now February, so it's been sitting in his house. He said he drive once in a while, but not like that. And yeah, so took him the highway, and actually it overheated, and they had no oil either. So I thought it was rod nut when I first got it towed. I got it towed back from my house, from the highway back to my house, and I thought it was rod nut. But when I revved the motor, it doesn't really sound like rod nut, because it kind of go away a little bit. I think it's the chain, the timing chain in the back of the motor that needs to be replaced. Probably started when it was low on oil. So yeah, so pretty much I'm gonna try to order a new chain. I'm gonna start out like y'all hear it, but also have a coolant now. This car never overheated before, and this is the first time I ever done it, and I actually just found a leak. It's like down here, down there by the that I guess that's what the thermostat, what a little net at right underneath the manifold, about right here. So it's kind of leaking there. Like I said, I'm gonna start it up for you guys and show you and let y'all hear it and see what y'all think about it. But yeah, little issue I'm going on there. I need to do a compression test on this thing too. So you hear that knocking noise. I thought it was rod knock, but so I'm gonna rev it up. So as I rev it up, you kind of hear it goes away. So that's kind of eliminate rod knot. It does sound like rod knot, but it's not. It goes away once you rev the car up. So like I said, the car was low on oil when it was the car was smoking. So like I said, I was on the highway, cruising, nothing, really going on. I seen smoke behind the car, but I thought it like from sitting around and stuff. And that thing, it started, the oil light came on, said low oil. Alright, so I'm trying to get off the highway before, I hurt my motor, right? And then the engine turned off, and then it started smoking badly. So I pulled aside where I said low oil, but it's smoking badly. That usually when it starts smoking badly, that means it's overheating. My temp gauge didn't move. oil gauge didn't like skyrocket, nothing like that. So I was like confused and everything. So I got a car towed back home, and come and found out it was low on oil, but that wouldn't make the car turn off. You know, not newer cars, the motor would shut off if it get to a certain oil, you know, level. But this, it won't do in this car. And when I checked the coolant, I was like, this thing is empty. It was just full this morning. So I just poured coolant in there, and I'll try to show you guys, but I didn't have no coolant reservoir, so couldn't show it. But like I said, down there is like a net that goes to the engine block on the driver's side, and it's leaking there. You can actually see a river coming inside the block and dripping to the ground. I have a bucket in this car catch it, but yeah. So now I have to figure out probably the gasket gone bad. I want to go ahead and get this car prepped and ready for the summertime anyway. So I'm gonna order a new timing chain, new gasket, new thermostat. Try to go over. I need to change the belts. I definitely need to change the belt. AC do work in this car, and I want to get this car ready for the summertime. But I don't mind riding around a beater. Honestly, no. Since my project car is in a current state, you know, not moving jack stand, and then my truck almost running. I just got finish up the brake lines. Yeah, I don't mind driving this thing. This thing is like the best daily ever, man. It's all-wheel drive. I mean, I just gotta get ready for it. Get some red, lower it down, put some tint, some nice wheels on it, and this is fine for me. I haven't even asked for much, but yeah, man. So I want to get this car ready for the summertime. I'm thinking about getting a bike. I don't know yet. Thinking about selling this to get a bike, and then just have a bike and truck. I don't know yet. Still thinking about that. But yeah, man, I just want to let you guys know what's going on in the Audi, man. So look for on videos on the Audi. We doing some work. I just gotta go ahead and price everything up and try to get everything done. Cause once I'm starting to get in the engine bay, I want to go ahead and get everything done. You know what I'm saying? We did the valve cover gasket, so that's already good. Well, we gotta take it back off. So tomorrow is just one over. Get to timing chain. Yeah, so this is gonna be very interesting. I wanted to say fuck it, but I'm trying to keep this car reliable, because it like I said, I had this car for a year, had no problem with it. So yeah, just go ahead and get this thing straight, man. But I'll see you guys next time. Sorry for, you know, haven't made a video in a while. Like I said, I'm working 2 jobs, man. This thing is really stressful. I'm gonna make a video about that too. So keep an eye out, guys. Like I said, man, I'll see you guys next time. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want. I'm not forcing you, man, but I'll see you guys next time.